Some important carbon compounds. There are many carbon compounds which are valuable to us. Here, let us learn about two important carbon compounds. 1. Ethanol, ethyl alcohol. 2. Ethanoic acid, acetic acid. Ethanol. Physical properties of ethanol. Ethanol is a colorless liquid at room temperature with characteristic sweet odor. Alcohols are more soluble in water than other simple hydrocarbons due to polar OH bond. It is flammable, produces blue flame, and do not produce any smoke while burning. Melting point of alcohol is minus 114.1 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of alcohol is 78.3 degrees centigrade. Preparation of ethanol. Hydration of alkenes. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol is prepared from ethene by addition of water vapors to it. In the presence of catalysts like phosphorus pentoxide or tungsten oxide at 100 to 300 atmospheric pressure and 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Alcoholic fermentation. Preparation of ethanol by grains. Grains such as corn, wheat, barley are common sources of preparation of ethanol. Let us take raw corn and grind the corn into powder by using a grinder. Put powder form of corn into a jar and add some amount of water into it and mix it well. Heat the mixture up to 185 degrees Celsius. Keep it in an ice cube bowl to reduce the temperature up to 92 degrees Celsius. Prepare yeast solution by adding yeast to the water in a beaker. Mix it well by spoon. Add the yeast solution into the mixture and leave it for 3 to 5 days. The enzymes like zymase released by yeast reacts with starch and converts it into ethanol and carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This metabolic process of conversion of starch to ethanol is called fermentation. Heat the mixture up to 80 degrees Celsius using steamer and pass vapors through condenser to obtain pure alcohol. Chemical properties of ethanol. Reaction with metals. Take a test tube containing ethanol. Take a pure white sodium metal removed from oil and cut a small piece of it. Using tongs, put the sodium piece into the test tube. We will observe the evolution of gas bubbles. In this activity, following reaction takes place. Ethanol reacts with metallic sodium, forms sodium ethoxide by replacing hydrogen with sodium in functional group OH and liberates hydrogen gas. Reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. Take the complete laboratory setup as shown here. Now, add ethanol to the beaker. Put few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid into the beaker. Light on the Bunsen burner and heat the mixture up to 170 degrees Celsius. Add few crystals of potassium permanganate to water and make the solution of it, and the color of the solution is deep purple. Using a dropper, take a few drops of potassium permanganate solution and put into the test tube. Now, add few drops of heated mixture and put into the same test tube. We will observe that deep purple color slowly disappears, which proves the presence of alkene. In this activity, the following reaction takes place. Ethanol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius, forms ethene. Sulfuric acid acts as dehydrating agent and removes the water molecule from ethanol and produces ethene. Ethanoic acid. Physical properties of ethanoic acid. It belongs to the group of carboxylic acids and is commonly called as acetic acid. It is a colorless liquid with characteristic unpleasant odor. It is soluble in water and more acidic than ethanol with pH value 2.4. Melting point of ethanoic acid is 16 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of ethanoic acid is 118 degrees centigrade. Chemical properties of ethanoic acid. Reaction with metals. Take a conical flask, add ethanoic acid to it. Now, add a few grams of sodium metal lumps to the acid by using spatula. We will observe the evolution of hydrogen gas bubbles. The following reaction takes place in this activity. Ethanoic acid reacts with active metals like sodium, Na, forms sodium acetate by replacing hydrogen in functional group COOH and liberates hydrogen gas. Reaction with base or alkali. Take 2 test tubes containing dilute sodium hydroxide and ethanoic acid respectively. Add ethanoic acid to another test tube using tongs. Now add sodium hydroxide to it. In this activity, the following reaction takes place. Ethanoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide NaOH, forms sodium acetate by replacing hydrogen in functional group COOH along with water. Reaction with carbonates or bicarbonates. Take a sodium carbonate in china dish. Add a spoonful of sodium carbonate into the test tube. Add a few drops of ethanoic acid to it. We will observe that brisk effervescence of gas is formed. Pass the evolved gas into the lime water solution. It will turn milky white. This proves that evolved gas is carbon dioxide. The following reaction takes place in this activity. Ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates like sodium carbonate, forms sodium acetate by replacing hydrogen atom COOH along with water and liberates carbon dioxide.